Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about African greys. But before we go into that, I would like to say, news politics again, yuck. We just need to focus on some animal videos and it will be relaxing, hopefully. Anyway, so number one, there is more than one type of African grey. Many people don't know about this just because they all look exactly the same, almost. So if you're looking, you can't really tell, but there are some differences you can. They also have a subspecies, but they aren't as known. I'm not quite sure what it's called. Number two, African greys are highly sociable species. They fly in big flocks and they roost on treetops in the evening with their flock. Number three, one defense mechanism is that a African grey puffs up all of its feathers to look big and then it bites. Number four, the African greys need plenty of toys that challenge their intellect. These birds are highly intelligent. They need to have something. They need to actually constantly have something to do, or they'll pluck their feathers out at boredom. So what we like to see is having your bird have a puzzle food. I'm not sure what those called, but it encourages foraging and challenging their intellect, of course, because they are intelligent birds. Number five, so African grey is from Africa, hence the name. No, but they are only found in countries south of South Africa, where it's near the equator. So they tend to be a little bit, they love the warmer side, I guess. Alright, so let's see. The six, some people like to argue that parrots and African greys do not understand what they're saying. And other people do argue that they do understand. I would say they do, just because, you know, they say things when you show them or anything, but the people that don't believe it is not very trained in birds. There's number seven. So African greys like thick, dense forests, and but they also can be seen around clearings or edges of the forest, but they prefer to be inside the forest. Number eight, African greys can spread their wings about 18 to 20 inches, depending on the unique body weight and height. Number nine, African grey parrots are vulnerable to old, stronger and stronger and larger and stronger birds, such as raptors or vultures. Number 10. Sorry guys. Hope this is awesome. I'm just gonna continue. So
Squeaky, shut up.
Number 10, put pythons and monkeys eat their eggs. So there are some predators that can eat their eggs. Just like anything, they pretty much eat anything, any type of egg. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video. Alright guys.